Hello everyone and welcome to the Practical English brand. In this video, I'll be teaching you some very common and useful English idioms that I've collected for you. I hope that you will stay till the end in order to learn these useful idioms and start using them in your daily English. So let's begin with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The first one is alive and kicking. So if someone is alive and kicking, it means that person is healthy. For example, you can say, my grandfather is above 90, but he's still alive and kicking. Number two, as fit as fiddle. If someone is well, if someone is fit, if someone goes to the gym, or if someone exercises every day, so you can say, for example, my father exercises every morning and he is as fit as fiddle. Number three, at death's door. This idiom means that if someone is about to die. For example, you can say, one of my neighbors was very sick. He had COVID-19 and now he is at death's door. So, about to die. Number four, back on one's feet. To become healthy again. For example, you can say, my little brother was extremely sick. He was very sick. But Alhamdulillah, now he is back on his feet again. Okay. So it means he's wealthy again after sickness. And blackout. To blackout means to lose your conscience, to faint, to pass out. The weather was so hot yesterday that I was about to black out. Or for example, you can say he worked so hard that he finally blacked out. Number six, bring someone around. If someone is like injured or like very sick and the doctors try to treat him, so then you can use this idiom. For example, he had an accident and when they took him to the hospital, the doctors tried very hard to bring him around. Okay, so they treated him and they brought him around. It means he became healthy again. So number seven, bundle of nerves. Bundle of nerves. If someone is very, very anxious and nervous. Yesterday I had an interview with some candidates for the teaching position at the third branch of Atarut. So one of the candidates was like bundle of nerves. It means that he or she was very nervous. Number eight, drop dead. To drop dead means to die suddenly. Okay, so one of my friends had an accident and he dropped dead. It means he died suddenly. Okay, it's like a sudden death. Like nowadays in Kabul city, at night somebody walks down the street and some robbers want to steal his cell phone and he doesn't want to give it to them. So the robbers kill him. So you can say he dropped dead. It means he died suddenly. Okay. Number nine, feel on top of the world. If you feel on top of the world, it means you are very happy, excited, and healthy. Okay. Today I went to the gym, I exercised for an hour, and now I feel on top of the world. Or for example, I took some multivitamins and now I feel on top of the world. Number 10, draw blood. If you want to check your malaria, if you want to do a checkup, so the doctor will have to draw some blood from your arm. So to draw some blood means to take some blood from somebody's arm or from somebody's finger. Okay. So number 11, come down with. To come down with means to become too sick. Okay. For example, you can say my uncle was healthy and he was doing great, but after he caught COVID-19 or he caught, for example, malaria or any other sickness, he came down with COVID-19 or he came down with malaria or something. Number 12, clean bill of health. If you receive a clean bill of health, it means you receive a kind of documents, a kind of certificate that everything is okay and you don't have any sickness, you don't have any disease. For example, one of my friends wanted to go to the United States of America, So he was told by the embassy to do his checkups. And after doing his checkups, he received the clean bill of health. It means there was nothing wrong with his health. So he was healthy. I hope that you learned how to use these common English idioms in your daily spoken English. In the future, I'm gonna be trying to collect more common, useful English idioms for you. Stay with the Practical English brand. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel right now for receiving these kind of useful lessons in the future. Have a great time and bye-bye.